fucking guy's insane! What the fuck? Holy shit! What in the fuck was that guy thinking?
Liked, and then the man was like, "Hey, I'm also good at something else." And they're like, "Really?"
Save video.
And sure enough, that's what we started doing.
From life insurance, up to $2 million in coverage with no medical exam. Some policies as low as $1 a day. Answer a few health questions and get your free quote at ethos.com.
Okay.
Get an unlimited phone plan starting at $80 per month for your family on Google Fi Wireless. Enjoy unlimited data, phone, and calling with hotspot tethering and
That's funny.
Oh yeah, sleep too.
fucking stupid. God damn you, stupid mother. What the fuck? Oh, what the hell? Dude, he just fucking about caused a pile up.
Sorry, babe.
Sorry, love. This woman's just crashed into me.
Oh,
So
did you?
no.
It's alright, you shouldn't have gone into the back of me, should you? That's what happens.
Did I go into the back of you?
Yeah, when you're impatient.
There's a dash cam there. You're on video crashing into me.
Okay.
You stopped your car, you got out, you had road rage, and then you crashed into me.
You had road rage, you had road rage.
And then you just...
You had road rage.
You beeped your horn.
Mate?
You beeped your horn. Now shut your mouth.
There's no need
Don't
to
you
beep it on
start.
just because I didn't pull off the roundabout quick enough for you.
And then you crashed
were the one
into
that were
me.
impatient.
No, you crashed into us.
No, she crashed...
You
Mate,
crashed into
come
us.
here. Come here. Mate, there's a dash cam. Are you giving your details? You crashed into me and you're driven off. Are you giving your details? Well, that'll be calling the police. Are you failing to provide details? And your name?
Jane.
Jane.
Yeah.
And your insurance company?
Direct line.
Direct line. All right.
You beep like that, you would have bastard.
You crashed into me and she's just said I hit her.
No, you crashed
And you're on
into her.
dash cam.
You crashed into
I've
her.
got a dash cam, you're on
I don't give
video.
a bollocks.
All right, mate. You're on video, so I'll be calling the police.
All right, bollocks.
All right, so the police can ring you and they'll ask what's going on.
Go suck it.
I'll suck it.
Show me the dash cam then.
Show you the dash cam?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in the windscreen, love.
Do you want to shout out?
Serves you right.